Hi everyone, this is Praktis Sumatif, paper 2, question number 4. So in this question, we are given the curve with gradient function f prime x equals to 3x squared plus mx plus n, whereby m and n are constants. And for this, we have the stationary points at 1, -3, and -3, 29. So we have to find m and n. Stationary point is also called turning point. So at stationary point, we know that the dy dx equals to 0. dy dx equals to 0. And over here, dy dx can be also written in terms of prime. So f prime x equals to 0. Therefore, 3x squared plus mx plus n equals to 0. And then if we solve this equation, and this is a quadratic equation, we will get our x equals to 1 and x equals to -3. Therefore, when x equals to 1, we can substitute this point in and it will satisfy this equation. We will get 3 plus m plus n equals to 0. And when x equals to -3, we will have -3 squared is 9. 9 times 3, so we have 27. Minus 3m and plus n equals to 0. Let's label the equation as equation 1 and equation 2. So we shall take equation 1 minus equation 2. So we will have 3 minus 27, -24. M minus -3, we have 4m. N minus n, no more. So equals to 0. 4m equals to 24, therefore m equals to 6. And then from equation 1, 3 plus 6 plus n equals to 0, therefore n equals to -9. So we have found the value of m and n. So that is for part A. Part B, we have to find the equation of the curve. All right, so we have equation of the curve. So we are looking for fx. So if f prime x, so we start from f prime x equals to 3x squared. The m is 6, so plus 6x, and then minus 9. So if f prime x equals to this, to find fx, we are integrating 3x squared plus 6x minus 9. So over here, we shall integrate. So we have x cubed plus 3x squared and then minus 9x plus c. So we have to find the value of c. So we have to substitute the point in. So let's substitute when x equals to 1, the y value, which is fx, equals to -3. So let's do like this. F1 equals to -3. So substitute x equals to 1 into the function. We have 1 plus 3 minus 9 plus c equals to -3. So 1 plus 3, we got 4. 4 minus 5, we have -5. Therefore, c equals to -3 plus 5. So we got 2. So now we can make a conclusion that the equation of the curve fx equals to x cubed plus 3x squared minus 9x plus 2. All right, so that's it. We found the answer for number 4B.